I need your brown skin. I'm like in the oven, I'm not just you. People say it's you.
It's a vibe, it's a vibe. Can't deny, can't deny.
What's up, beautiful people? If you want to see how I achieve that bang and wash and go, continue to watch. So first I start off with some water and one of my favorite curling cream, which is the shade Moisture Curl Enhancing Smoothie. Here in this glass jar I have my own product that I have created. Y'all, I have a new little product line called The Course Matters, and this is my hair moisturizing butter. And I will be using the 3 of those products to achieve my wash and go. So here I already have my hair section off into 2 sides. Pigtails, don't have any earrings on. I feel like a boy. Fun fact, I need earrings in. So I go twist by twist, making each twist a section. So I split the twist in half, and each of those halves will become a section that I'll be working with. This is my hair type. I'm not sure what type I am. I just know I'm in the type 4 category. I think I have type 4, A, B, and C. So first I go in with my water, spritz that. I get it pretty wet, pretty soaked. Then I go in with my The Course Matters hair moisturizing butter, and I rub it through my hands and do the praying method down my whole entire hair shaft. Y'all, couldn't decide if I wanted to use the butter first and then the cream, or the cream and the butter. So some of my head I use the butter first, some of my head I use the cream first. I really couldn't tell a difference. So the preference is yours. But I make sure I coat each and every hair strand. Look at those curls pop. So moving right along to the next section. So this is my hair type. Like I said, once again, this is only with the leave-in conditioner in my hair, and I use Millie's. Oh, I probably pronounced it wrong, but I use that leave-in conditioner. So that is all that is on my hair at that particular time. I'm going in with my water, making sure it's thoroughly saturated. Not too drenched, but saturated. As you can see, this time I'm going in with my cream instead of the butter first. And like I said, it's just your preference. I switched it up to see if I can see a difference, and I never really did. So I think I continue to use that method the whole way. I'm going with the butter, smoothing it all in. Y'all, I know it looks white right now, but that's just a lot of the cream that I'm using. As my hair dry, it will dry clear. It will not be white. And that is what my curl is looking like. Yes. Y'all, this is my first successful wash and go. I have tried it maybe 2, 3, 4 times in the past, and it has been a no-go. This wash and go method that I have used, my hair was not crunchy, very soft, very moisturized, and just banging. So something that I'm doing is twisting at the root, maybe about 5 to 6 twists. And for me, I don't really know why I'm doing that. I think it was just helping me. I feel like with the drying method gave me a little bit more stretch versus me not doing it, because my hair do shrink a lot. So I think with me doing the whole twisting method just kind of gave myself a little stretch towards the when it came to the drying process. But do what you do, sis. Just make sure you shake them curls every now and then. Ow. Okay, beautiful people, so I will continue that whole process through my entire head. Water, cream, butter, twist, water, cream, butter, twist. And every now and then I will throw in a little shaky shake to break up the curls that are clumped together. So yeah, I will do that through my entire head. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this video. Alright, I'm gonna hush up now and let y'all finish watching. I will be back once I am at the drying process. Alright, toodles. y'all, so I am completely done now. I know, like I said before, my hair looks white. A lot of it is the cream that I use. I'm heavy on the cream, but it does not dry white. It will be clear. This whole entire process took about an hour and a half, which is impressive for me, because normally it takes me about 2, 3, 4 hours to do a wash and go, but not this time. I have went ahead and sat underneath the blow dryer, a hooded blow dryer, to speed up the process. Y'all, had somewhere to go that night and I needed my hair to hurry up and dry. So this is the first half of my hair after I removed all the little twists out that I had put in my hair, and you can see where my stretch come from. One side is stretched out already just from removing the twist, and the other side is not. That's why I added the twist. There's a method to my madness. Boom. And there we go. The whole head is done, completely dry. I would say it's about 95% dry. Just look at the curls. Look at the bounce. Look at the shrinkage. I am in love. Oh my goodness. I'm so happy, y'all. I'm so happy. I do dedicate this to my hair moisturizer into the curl enhancing smoothie for this bomb wash and go. Let me know how you think. And this is that night before I headed out. I was going to the skating rink. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm done talking. Y'all see it. I ain't got to talk no more.